Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host Sophia. Today I'm making another lockdown recipe. I always do dry shrimps at home. It keeps for a long time and they don't have to be refrigerator. This is a great time to share my recipe because now it's really hard to go shopping due to us being stuck at home. This is one of my favorites and I hope you all love it too. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
I'm using 3 ounces of medium-sized dried shrimp. Rinse it and pat it dry. 1 pound of chopped green beans, 1 chopped onion and 3 to 4 garlic cloves chopped. In a pan, add a tablespoon of oil over medium heat. I'm using grapeseed oil. Once it's hot, fry the shrimp for a minute or two and place them on a plate. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. I'm also using a stem of curry leaves. Once it's hot, add mustard seeds and wait till it splits, followed by cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds, and wait for a minute before you fry the onion. Add chopped onions, garlic, curry leaves, ginger and asafoetida and fry till the onion turns translucent. Since I don't have any fresh tomatoes, I'm using frozen tomatoes which I grew in my garden last summer. Into that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and mix it well. Close it and cook on medium-low until it releases oil. It's time to add dried shrimp along with green beans. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Cover it and cook on medium-low until the beans are cooked well. Turn the stove off and let it stand for 5 minutes before you serve. It's a quick, easy and tasty recipe with good source of protein. It goes very well with any kind of rice or even chapati too.
Thanks for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.